My name is Mindy Richardson. I am doing a project video on boundary surveying. I will be interviewing Mr. Peter Horn, who is a contractor and a land developer.
How you doing today?
Good. How about you?
Fine.
What is a boundary survey?
Boundary survey is determines the property lines and the parcel of piece of property described in a deed or some type of document that's been recorded, and they show limitations of your setbacks or encroachments of the state and local government.
When is it needed?
When is it needed? This is a map showing the boundaries, and the survey is strongly recommended plot plan before you do any development, to find out where all your lines are and any setbacks or anything else that may be there before you build or move a piece of property.
How should I arrange for a survey to be done?
You go find me the surveyor. You can find many surveyors in Yellow Book. Your local government will help you out finding a reputable surveyor, and you make contact with them.
What's the requirement?
The first requirement is actually having a boundary surveyor. This will show any existing roads, any setbacks, documents that may agree or disagree with your setback, with your plot plan.
What instruments does the surveyors use?
Well, they use several different kind of methods. They use survey transits, and they may use things like locating street corners or monument corners.
What's the markers look like?
Markers can be anything. Yes, markers can be iron rod, post, mark on a tree. It could be a blaze trail. Sometimes they blaze trees going through wooded areas. It shows different sides.
Can we go look at one?
Yeah, here's one right here. It has a rebar with a piece of PVC pipe drilled down. Here's showing a mark. That's used 4x4 treated post. And sometimes if you look this way, they use a post with like the side of a light pole or something.
How much does the survey cost?
Well, it determines how long it takes, the terrain, what time of year. Different surveyors charge different things. Usually, sometimes they charge by half day or full days. There's different charges, depends on condition of the property and what you want. So,
What are the steps of a boundary survey?
The steps at first is your boundary map, which is established. And then a site visit would have to be made to the property. The work is identified. Once you identify the work, you'll need to talk with your surveyor about the cost, and both of you agree to it, sign a contract most of the time. Details of the land, they have to do a research of detailing everything, that any encroachments or anything else that had been recorded on a piece of land. The survey is then executed, and after the survey is done, on the map, they come back and they mount your monuments, which could be iron rod, pipe, or PVC, or whatever that would identify. And then the survey map is drawn and drawn out. You look at the survey map, make sure this is what you want, or that you agree to. The survey plat is recorded to you.
What's the results of a boundary survey?
Results determined in the agreement. The monuments have been set. A written description. We got a final map. This map shows you once they came out, establish your plot. They come back and resurvey and put your corners in. This here has to be turned into your county officials, your planning and zoning, and they have to approve the survey map after it's been done before recording.
Well, this concludes my video on boundary surveying.